I put my parents through hell growing up. I was a bit of a rough kid, and there was a point in my life where I hit rock bottom. There was one person who just never gave up on me, no matter what. That person was my dad. How do you say thank you to someone like that? So how do we pay tribute to the people we love? I mean, everyone has their own way. For some people it's art, for some people it's buying gifts. For me, it's making a watch. There's no other company creating watches like this on the market today, and there's a reason. It takes a lot of time and it creates a lot of scrap. But I wanted to do something truly unique. We came up with an amazing process, and we got it down to a science, and we've created something that's truly a masterpiece, a work of art. So here's what we're offering and why it's special. We're offering fully engraved timepieces with our own process involving laser engraving, handwork, and hand staining. It takes a lot of time. There's 3 variations of the timepiece. First, the masterpiece, a fully Swiss-made automatic watch with a custom rotor. It winds off the movement of your wrist. The second, the skeleton version, where you get to see all the inner workings of the movement. It's beautiful. And the third, the quartz version, which is the most convenient. Uses a battery, you never have to worry about winding it.
My promise to you is not only that we'll deliver the timepiece, but that it will far exceed expectation. We've done 3 campaigns like this before, and in each one, customers wrote in once they got the watch about how happy they were and how incredible it looked in person.
I just want to say thank you for watching the video. And thank you for being a part of the Egard family. And I can't wait for you to build a legacy.